Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a cool trick that can significantly enhance your PUBG Mobile experience, unlocking the Ultra HDR option. This setting provides a more vibrant and detailed visual experience, making your gameplay even more immersive. However, to access this feature, you'll need a rooted Android device. The link to download the required Magisk module will be in the video description. Before proceeding, make sure your device is capable of handling Ultra HDR graphics. Check your device's specifications to ensure it has the necessary hardware. Open Magisk Manager and navigate to the Modules section. Click on the Install from Storage button and select the module you just downloaded. The module will begin installing, which might take a few minutes depending on your device's processing power. Once the module installation is complete, it's crucial to reboot your device. This ensures that the changes made by the module take effect. After your device has restarted, launch PUBG Mobile. Head over to the Settings menu and look for the Graphics options. You should now see the Ultra HDR option available. By following these steps, you've successfully unlocked the Ultra HDR option in PUBG Mobile on your rooted device. This feature can significantly enhance your gaming experience, providing more vibrant colors, deeper shadows, and overall better visuals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.